How to change view size in your Yahoo Mail. If the text in your Yahoo Mail looks too small or too big, you can adjust the view size easily. Open your settings on your iPhone. Go to Display and Brightness. Tap on Text Size. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the text size. You can enable dynamic text in your Yahoo Mail. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Tap onto the profile icon from top left corner. Select Settings. In my current version, I don't have general option. For you, it might be, so tap on it. And you just have to simply enable dynamic text to match your iPhone font size settings. And that's it. Now you can easily change the view size in Yahoo Mail.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.